Hi there, this is Star in the online tutorial spot of unboxing of YU Yunique, and here we go. It costs me 5,999. And yeah, of course, this is from Snapdeal. Oh, a surprise! Here we got a 4G SIM of Airtel, free with YU Yunique. Here we go. What we have got here. It has quad-core Snapdragon. The box is very nice. It has a compact design of box. YU Yunique quad-core Snapdragon 410. What we got here in this phone? Let me check this out. Powered by quad-core Snapdragon 410, 1.1 GHz quad-core GPU and Adreno A306 3D graphics core, 400 mHz. Screen is 4.7 IPS HD, protected by Gorilla Glass 3. Memory of 8 GB ROM and 1 GB RAM. Budget phone. Camera is 8 megapixel rear and front 2 megapixel. And of course, OS of Android Lollipop 5.1. Got a connectivity of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, OTG. No problem for storage. USB 2.0. Battery life of 2000 mAh. And since he got a sensor of tactical acceleration, don't know, 30 FPS. Time to open the beast. What we got it in here? Wire, charging adapter, phone, some manuals, warranty card, user guide, and the phone. What we got? Stunning look of camera with LED flash, made in India. So thin. Protected by Gorilla Glass 3. Nice looking phone, stunning phone. Handy design, can fit in a one hand, not too much big. What we got here? Buttons. What we got here? Buttons. Volume up and down and power button. This is the middle one is power button. Volume up and volume down, all at the same place. This is very nice. So friends, this is all about YU Yunique at the online tutorial spot. If you like the video, then hit the like button. If you like the video much more, then hit the subscribe button.